Hello viewers, my name is Reverend Father Peter Caxton Mayanja, C.S.C, a priest of the Congregation of Holy Cross. I serve as the Provincial Superior for the Congregation of Holy Cross here in the province of East Africa. The Congregation of Holy Cross arrived in Uganda on the 4th of November 1958. And our first area of operation, first area of mission was in the Diocese of Fort Portal. And then the mission grew to other places, not just in Uganda, but in Kenya and in Tanzania. In Uganda, we work in the Diocese of Fort Portal. We work in the Diocese of Jinja. We work in the Archdiocese of Kampala. We also work in the Archdiocese of Gulu. In Kenya, we work in the Archdiocese of Nairobi, and also we work in the Diocese of Eldoret. And in Tanzania, we work in the Archdiocese of Arusha, we work in the Diocese of Mbulu, we work in the Diocese of Mwanza, we work in the Archdiocese of Mwanza, we work also in the Diocese of Musoma. The congregation is involved in two different ministries. We have parish ministries, we have healthcare ministries, we have formation ministries, but also we have involved into social justice initiatives where we work with our collaborators like the John Paul II here in Kampala and the Serente Center. We are here currently at the St. Augustine Institute here in Zambia, in Kampala, for what we call a provincial assembly. This is our second provincial assembly as a province. Like I've said, we came to East Africa in 1958. But we belonged to the United States province in the US, that is in America. And also, we also worked with the Brothers Province, that is Moru Province, formerly known as the Eastern Province of Brothers. But officially, in 2023, we were inaugurated as an independent province, the province of East Africa. So our membership, like I've said, cuts across with members from Uganda, from Kenya, Tanzania, and Rwanda. But in this membership, we also have our forefathers who came from the US. We have our brothers and some priests that come from the US, and also other members from other jurisdictions where Holy Cross serves. For instance, we have a brother from West Africa in Ghana. We also have some brothers from Bangladesh. Holy Cross has a strong presence in Bangladesh. So we are here for our assembly, and an assembly is a gathering of the membership of the members of the Congregation of Holy Cross. It is a consultative gathering where the province administration, together with the members, sit to evaluate how they are carrying on the mission that has been entrusted to us. The Congregation of Holy Cross, our charism, the special gift that we give to the church, is that we are educators in the faith. That is what our founder, Blessed Basil Moru, gave us. So we sit down and ask ourselves, for the past 3 years, our first provincial assembly was in 2023. So we ask ourselves, in the last 3 years, how have we been true to our mission? And then eventually in 2024, we came into what we called our first provincial chapter. And usually in a provincial chapter, we sit down and we give ourselves the mandate. We are mandated the acts that we want to do in the next 3 years. So we have come to ask ourselves, how have we performed as far as these mandates are concerned? So we have come to celebrate the successes that we have registered, We have also come to offer accountability to one another. What are those areas where we have not really done so well? And then we ask ourselves through a discernment process guided by the Holy Spirit, what can we do to do better? And the theme for this Provincial Assembly is Illumine our path, Lord, as we discern your will, that all may be one. And you can agree with me, dear viewers, that without God, we can do nothing. And that was the Lord himself telling us in John. Cut off from him, we cannot succeed in anything. So we reported for assembly on the 16th of August 2026 here. And our assembly will be ending on the 20th of August 2026. We have some facilitators that are guiding us on how to go about this, and we are handling a number of topics. These topics are helping us in this evaluation, in this keen look at the mission that we are doing. One of the things that we are looking at the area of discernment. Discernment is about, with the Spirit, making the right course of action. What is the Spirit of God asking of us? What is the Spirit of God directing us to do? So discernment is one of the key things that we are looking at. The other one that the facilitators are helping us to do is to look at what we are calling the charism and the patrimony of the congregation of Holy Cross. A charism is that special gift that the Holy Spirit inspired to our founder, Blessed Basil Moreau, as a special gift to the church. So how are we living? How are we remaining true to the charism of our founder since 1837, when our congregation was founded in France? Are we true? Are we remaining true to our charism? Are we remaining true to our mission? And of course, we live in challenging times. What are the current times asking of us? We have a very special ministry called Holy Cross Family Ministries. In the families, what are those things that we need to pay greater attention to? The family is plagued with a number of challenges here and there. What can we do to remain effective as educators in the faith? So these facilitations and these topics are helping us to do that keen evaluation. And of course, Pope Francis, our Pope of great memory, called the church to what he called a synod on synodality, where he challenged all the people of God about the need to walk together, walking together in communion, in participation, and in mission. So using that principle of synodality, the brothers who are here, the priests who are here, we also have some seminarians who are still under training, and some deacons who will soon be ordained priests. So we are sitting together, we are asking all these questions, and we don't want to leave anyone behind, such that we want to be sure that this mission that we are entrusted with, everyone is brought on board. The other reason why we are gathering here for this Provincial Assembly, like I've said, an assembly is not a decision-making body, but it's a consultative body. So people are bringing their suggestions, but the decision-making body is what we call a chapter. And for our case, it is the provincial chapter. All matters about our apostolate, our community life, our life together is decided in what we call a provincial chapter. And our provincial chapter is going to happen early next year in January. So these deliberations that we are having are helping us to prepare, form an agenda that will be discussed in that provincial chapter. But also in doing that, in this provincial assembly, we are going to elect delegates to that decision-making body. So the members who will be elected are part of this bigger assembly. So they have listened, or they are listening to the voice of God through the membership. And then they will be sent to the chapter to deliberate on where the Spirit will be asking of us to lead the congregation here at the province of East Africa in the next 3 years from 2027. Why is this an important event for us? The Congregation of Holy Cross, like I've said, is an international religious congregation. And world over, we call them jurisdictions. We have 16 jurisdictions or areas where Holy Cross works. Our provincial chapter next year in January will be the first of the provincial chapters of the various jurisdictions of Holy Cross. And of course, this chapter in the province of East Africa and in the chapters of other jurisdictions, they will be preparing us for a bigger gathering. That is what we call the general chapter. And the general chapter, the members at the general administration in Rome will decide where the general chapter will be. But it is helping us to prepare us for that bigger event. So we are gathering to listen to the Spirit of God. What is the Lord asking of us as members of the province of East Africa? What is the Lord asking of us? Also, while listening in a spirit of synodality through the people that we work with, our collaborators, what is that deepest yearning of the people that we minister to? And that is the reason why we are gathering here. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who have helped us in this preparation. We have what we call a province chapter planning committee that involves leaders of the province, but also some members of the province. So this province chapter planning committee has really guided us so well. I would also like to thank the different committees that help us in this. Holy Cross collaborates with other partners like the Association of the Religious in Uganda. The Association of the Religious in Uganda, ARU, provided us through the Spears 2 facilitators. One of them is Sister Hilda Bamwine, a religious sister of the Sacred Heart. And the other one is Reverend Sister Margaret Ura, a missionary sister of Mary, Mother of the Church. And of course, we have our lay collaborators who work with us. I'd like to appreciate them for the support that they are helping us. And of course, our hosts here are St. Augustine and the media team from the Uganda Catholic TV. Very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you very much.